The Korean glass skin trend, achieving radiant skin in 2025. In 2025, the beauty world continues to be captivated by the concept of glass skin, a Korean skincare trend that emphasizes a luminous, dewy, and almost translucent complexion. Unlike the heavy contouring trends of the past, this approach focuses on achieving naturally flawless skin through meticulous care rather than makeup. With the rise of skin-first beauty, people around the world are investing more in skincare routines and wellness habits that support long-term radiance. The glass skin movement symbolizes a shift toward minimalism, transparency, and the idea that beauty begins with health. At the heart of the glass skin routine is a dedication to hydration, gentle exfoliation, and layering lightweight products. A typical regimen may start with a double cleanse to remove dirt and oil, followed by a mild toner to balance the skin's pH. Essence, a staple of Korean beauty, is then applied to deeply hydrate and prep the skin for serums. These serums, often rich in hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and peptides, are key to locking in moisture and refining skin texture. Moisturizers and SPF complete the ritual, ensuring both nourishment and protection. The process may seem elaborate, but each step builds upon the last to create a plump, radiant finish. However, true glass skin isn't just about external products, it's about a holistic lifestyle. Nutritional choices now play a critical role in maintaining skin health, with 2025 seeing a surge in interest for beauty foods. Ingredients like matcha, collagen peptides, fermented vegetables, and omega-rich seeds are celebrated for their skin-boosting benefits. Hydration through water and herbal teas is equally important, as it helps flush toxins and support elasticity. The integration of probiotics, both in diet and topical applications, continues to rise in popularity for maintaining a balanced skin microbiome. In parallel with skincare and nutrition, stress management and quality sleep are non-negotiables. Many wellness influencers in 2025 highlight the connection between mental calm and glowing skin. Meditation apps, light therapy, and nighttime skincare rituals are promoted as essential tools for maintaining a youthful, vibrant appearance. People are also embracing skin tech devices that enhance product absorption and boost circulation, all while enjoying at-home treatments. The future of beauty in 2025 is one where skincare, nutrition, and mindfulness intersect, and glass skin is its glowing emblem.